Good morning. As we have already started a topic differential equation and we have already done so many concepts related to this topic, we have learned about the order and degree. We have learned the equation of family. From that family, how we can form the differential equation. Then we have learned how we can find out the differential equation with the separable variable and homogeneous differential equation. Now, in continuation with this topic, today we will learn the linear differential equation. These two topics are very important topics. Now, linear differential equation, as homogeneous differential equation is also of two types, linear differential equation is also of two types. First type, dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. And second type is dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. First of all, we will express the equation in the given form. dy upon dx or dx upon dy. When dy is there, so y is there. When x is there, so x is also with the p. Then we will identify p and q. In this also equation, we will identify p and q. These first two steps so are same for both the equation. Third is also same there. Then we will find out the integrating factor there. Integrating factor means e raised to power integrating of p dx. What is the value we have find out from the second step of p? We will find out e raised to power integrating of p with respect to x. When the with respect to x equation is there. Same case we will find out here with respect to p with respect to y there. Then we will find out the general solution. That is, the general solution is integrating factor into y is equal to integrate of integrating factor. We will multiply integrating factor with all the equation. Integrating factor into y is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. Integrate also there. And in this case, integrating factor into x plus integrating factor into q dy plus c there. Now, I am taking one example here. Solve the differential equation. Y dx minus x plus 2y square dy is equal to 0. Y dx. We will write down the equation as it is there. Then we will find out that what type of differential equation is there. First we will write down the equation as it is there. Then we will separate the differential equation. Y dx is equal to x plus 2y square dy. Now, we will shift dy to the another side. It will be equal to dx upon dy, x upon y to that side, x upon y plus 2y square upon y. It will be equal to 2y there. Now, we will shift the equation because dx upon dy to there. Now, we will shift this equation to that side. X upon y. Dx upon dy is as it is. Positive sign I have taken here. But when it goes to that side, it will be equal to in the negative sign. So it will be minus 1 upon y x there. And 2y is already there. What type of differential equation? Because x is there, x is there. It is the type of dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. Now, we will identify p and q. That is the value of p. That is the value of q, full value. This side is q there. So, p is equal to minus 1 upon y and q is equal to 2y there. Now, we will find out the integrating factor because y is there, dy with respect to y is there. So, we will find out integrating factor with respect to y. If integrating p with respect to y, now p value is minus 1 upon y. We will put the value here. Minus sign is there. Integrating of 1 upon y with respect to y. So 1 upon y integrating is log y minus log y. Now this negative sign, because we have done one identity, e raised to power minus log m, it will be equal to e raised to power log m raised to power minus 1. Same, we will apply that identity here. So it will be equal to e raised to power log y raised to power minus 1. Now e and log, we can cancel this. So it will be equal to y raised to power minus 1. It will be equal to 1 upon y there. Now, general solution is, because we have to find out the general solution from the linear differential equation, x into integrating factor is equal to integrating of q into integrating factor with respect to y plus c. Now integrating factor is 1 upon y. We will put the integrating factor as it is there. Integrating of q value is 2y into 1 upon y. Y and y cancel. 2. Integrating 1 dy plus c. When we solve the equation, we will get the simple general solution. X upon y is equal to 2y plus c. Now I am taking one more example to discuss the another type of differential equation. Another type of linear differential equation. Solve the differential equation x dy upon dx. Now dy upon dx is already there. Plus 2y is equal to x square log x term is there. Now dy upon dx is there. It's understood from this statement what type of differential linear equation we will have. First of all, we will write down the equation as it is. Then we will separate the equation. Dy upon dx separate from the equation plus x. When it means we will divide it by the x, or we will take the x as a common factor. This x will go denominator, so it will be equal to y upon x. X square log x. X is also cancelled, x log x is there. Now dy upon dx, it is clear from that equation it is the type of dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. Now we will identify value of p and q there. Value of p is y as it is now. So it will be as it is there. So this value is of p. It will be equal to 2 upon x. Q value is x log x. Then we will find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e raised to power integrating of p dx. So p value is 2 upon x. We can take 2 as a common factor there, or 2 upon x. So 2 upon x in integration is log x there. 2 as it is, 2 log x is there. Now when we solve this value, we have already done there, it will be the power of the variable. So it will be equal to e log x square. Cancel, x square is there. Now what is the general solution of such type of differential equation? Linear differential equation. Y into integrating factor is equal to integrate of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. Integrating factor is x square, put the value here. Yx square is equal to integrate of q value is x log x into integrating factor x square dx plus c. Now when we multiply this value, it will be equal to x square y is equal to x cube integrating of x cube log x with respect to x plus c. X square y is equal to, now because two functions are there, one is x cube, one is the log x. So we will apply the integration by parts. By reminder, one method, elate. First function, second function. Log x, first function as it is, integrating of the second function, x cube dx, minus integrating of differentiation of this function, log x, into its value there, integrating of x cube, that is x4 upon 4. We have to integrating this full value, plus c is as it is there. x cube integration is x raised to power 4 upon 4 into log x minus integrating of 1 upon x into x raised to power 4 upon 4. We can cancel this value. It will be equal to x cube dx plus c. When we integrating x cube there, so it will be equal to x raised to power 4 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is as it is there. X raised to power 4 upon 16 plus c. X raised to power 4 upon 4. Log x is already there. Minus x raised to power 4 upon 16 plus c. This is the required general solution. If you want to solve further there, you can take this x square and divide it to all the terms. But here you will find out that at c upon x square will also be there. And you can't put that c as the another constant of integrating there. So this is the required general solution. Now I hope linear differential equations is clear to everyone, or you can see how we can find out the general solution from the linear differential equation. Now you will receive one link related to this topic also there. Do more and more practice. You will receive one assignment also there. Do your assignment. Thank you.